Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a roasted chicken in the Instant Pot Dual Crisp with Ultimate Lid. Alright guys, this is my Instant Pot Dual Crisp with Ultimate Lid. And if you're wondering what that is, that's an air fryer and a pressure cooker all in one. Holly got me this for Christmas. This is your your pressure cooker part, normal pot. And when you want to air fry, you push this button here and pull this down. And there's your air fryer element. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pressure cook this chicken, and then when it's done pressure cooking, we're going to use the air fryer function to crisp it up. So let's go. Alright, I'm starting out to have a 6-pound chicken. I washed it, pulled out the giblets, threw them away. I put it in a pressure cooker here. Now I'm going to dump a cup of water down in. We're not going to need a whole lot. I might even just do a half a cup of water because this chicken's going to put off a lot of liquid. I think I'm going to do a half a cup. And I'm going to spray some olive oil on the chicken. That's going to help our spices stick. Now the only seasoning I'm going to use for something to keep it simple, I'm just using this here. You guys have watched me for a while, know I love this stuff. The McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper and garlic. And there's also some onion powder in there, some bell pepper, a few good spices. This is a really good mix, guys. I'm going to sprinkle that down over the bird. And I'm going to be generous with that. If I can get it to come out. And you just want to season your bird all over with it. Alright, now that my chicken's all good and seasoned, I have the pressure cooker plate in. I'm going to close my lid down. You have to move that to the right to lock it. And I'm going to lock that into place. Alright, now that I have my chicken in and the lid is closed, I'm going to press the pressure cooker button. I'm going to press the time button. And I'm going to set my time for 36 minutes because this has to go for 6 minutes per pound. It's a 6-pound bird. So that's 36 minutes. Alright, now we're going to do our steam release. That's pulse release, quick release, natural release. We're going to do the pulse release. And I'm going to press start. Now what this is going to do, it's going to come up to pressure. It's going to pressure cook that chicken for 36 minutes. And then it's going to pulse release that pressure out of there automatically in spurts. And I don't know how long it's going to take. But I don't want to wait for a complete natural release. And it's best not to do a quick release when you're doing meat. So we'll use the pulse and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, my chicken's done pressure cooking. I'm going to take it out and drain all that liquid out. And I'm going to put it back in and we're going to air fry and get it nice and crispy. Because it looks delicious, but it looks a little pale. Alright guys, when I went to take my chicken out, it was that moist and tender, it just fell apart into pieces. I guess I should have made an aluminum foil sling to get it out of there. But it's just going to be just as delicious this way anyway. So now I'm going to take this pressure cooker plate out the top and set that in the sink. And I'm going to close my air fryer lid down on the pressure cooker. Alright, now I'm going to press my air fryer button. It's set at 400, and I'm going to leave it at 400, but I'm going to set my time. We're going to do 10 minutes. And I'll go in and I'll check that after about 5 minutes. We'll see how it is. Alright guys, this only took 5 minutes because the pot went into preheating mode while the chicken was in there. Had I known, I would have waited till the pot came up to temperature. It's my first time using it. But see how nice and golden brown and delicious that looks. Let's go ahead and get that cut up, fix up a plate, and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some garlic bread, skin, smashed potatoes, some green beans to go with this. Let me try my chicken. No, Dexter, I'm eating a pork chop. He's sensitive about chicken. Chicken's well seasoned. Tender. Moist. Guys, that's really delicious and all done in one pot. Alright, there you have it. Whole chicken in the Instant Pot Dual Crisp with Ultimate Lid. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.